Hello guys, from wherever you're watching this travel YouTube channel at Living Heaven. You are most welcome again to my travel YouTube channel at Living Heaven. So today I'm gonna take you to a nature walk in Kenya Highlands, Great Rift Valley, Kenya. I hope you will enjoy this vlog guys till the end. As you can see right now, I'm in Kenya Highlands, Great Rift Valley, Kenya. So let me show you the surrounding nature of where I'm shooting this vlog right now. So guys, as you can see, I'm shooting right now on where there is flowing stream. There is also tall eucalyptus trees, as you can see for yourself. So there is also super green grass. There is also a epic evergreen forest, as you can see. There is also shining sunshine, because right now it's still morning in Kenya countryside. So let me take you to a walk. So right now I'm walking right now on this super green grass. So there is something that I want to show, that is the papyrus. It's a far distance, but I hope you can see for yourself. So the nature on where I'm shooting this vlog right now is kinda breathtaking. There is also a lush forest. Oh, right now where I'm walking, I think it's kinda muddy because there is a stream that is flowing here, as you can see. So here, this is a papyrus. As you can see for yourself, it grows on places that are nearby to the stream or river, as you can see for yourself. So let me walk you through this papyrus. The nature is really evergreen, as you can see for yourself. There is also birds that are chirping, as you can hear. So right now here there are many papyrus plants that have grown, because this place is kind of wet because of flowing stream or river. And this place where I'm shooting right now is kind of super wet and also super green, because it's kind of rainforest, as you can see. So right now I'm walking on top of this papyrus. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this vlog of this nature walking Kenya Highlands, Great Rift Valley, Kenya. So guys, so please remember to like, subscribe, comment my travel YouTube channel at Living Heaven, and I will appreciate it guys. So team Living Heaven to the heavens guys. I will see you guys in the next travel vlog. Goodbye.